to the video on how to set your intermatic astronomical time clock. When you first turn your time clock on, this should be the screen that you see. The dates and time may vary. You want to hit the mode button up on the top left of your screen to pull open the date. Go ahead and set your date. For now, we're just going to leave this one as is, July 4th, 2018. And you'll hit the enter button once you pick your date. Plus and minus will change your date. You'll hit enter to move on to the year. Plus and minus change the year. And you'll hit enter again to set that. Now you'll push the mode button to move on to the next portion of this after you've set your date. And it'll take you to your clock. Use the plus and minus arrows to scroll between the times. If you hold it down, eventually it'll skip through and make it go a little bit faster. For now, we're just going to go with 10 a.m. You go ahead and hit the mode button again, and it'll take you to your astronomical zone. Now you'll want to look through your instructions that were provided to find out if you fall in the north, center, or south portion of your zones. You'll set it by using the plus and minus arrow once you've decided what zone you fall in, and then you'll hit mode once you have that zone set. Now you've got your time clock set up and you're ready to go ahead and program your on and off settings. You'll want to go ahead and set your time clock for sunset on. So to do so, you'll use the mode button again up here in the top left. To do so, you'll push it repeatedly to cycle through the menus up top, up here, and you'll want it to be on set and astro. So right now you'll see it reads set. You'll push it until the top reads astro, which it does now, and you'll want it to read on-off events as it does right now. Once you have that, you'll want to hit your enter button. What your enter button is going to do is it's going to change if it's on or off for the setting that you're choosing. You'll want it to be on the on at instead of the off at. So you'll push that enter button until you get to that setting. So now we're at set, astro, on-off events, on at, sunset. That is the setting that you'll want. So now that you have that setting programmed, if you don't have that setting programmed, I'll show you real quick how to do that. Once you have it on at, you'll hit the day button. The day button will give you what days you want. You'll see them kind of highlighted and taken off. So this is Monday through Friday. You can do just the weekend, or you can do individual days and set them. We're going to set it as all 1 week. So you want to do it to where everything is not blinking Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You now have that set correctly. So you go ahead and hit your mode button and you move on to the next portion of the setup. The next portion of the setup is where you want to go ahead and set the off time. The off time for extra space is 2 a.m. Some may want it changed differently. If you're told to set it differently, you can go ahead and do so. But for now, we're just going to set it to be turned off at 2 a.m. So since we hit the mode button, it automatically took us to the set, fixed, on-off events again. It gave us on at. We want it to be off at. So what we're going to go ahead and do here, we're going to use that mode button. We're going to click it until it goes to set and fixed again. So now it reads set and fixed and on-off events. That's where you want it. If you don't have it there, hit your mode button until it takes you there. The mode button will get you there. Now that you're there, you'll want to go ahead and hit the enter button. What the enter button is going to do is it's going to switch you between on at and off at right there. So we're going to go ahead and hit that enter button. We'll be off at. It'll read event 2. If it doesn't, you'll hit it again, event 3. Just hit it until it says off at and event 2. That'll get you where you need to be for your second event, which is to turn the time clock off and turn your signage off. Now that you're here, you're going to go ahead and hit the day button. What the day button is going to do, again, is it's going to switch what days you're on. You'll want to make sure they're all highlighted again: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that nothing is blinking. Once you have that, this time may read differently. If you need to change it to 2 a.m., you can use your plus and minus arrows to do so. Once you've got it to 2 a.m., you're where you need to be. You'll go ahead and hit mode again, and you should be good to go. This should go ahead and have your time clock set properly to turn on at sunset and turn off at 2 a.m.